my planner friends, it's Crystal with Happy to Plan. So I know I haven't had a planner video up in a couple of weeks, but what I'm deciding to do was I'm going to try to get as many planner videos as I can get done today and do some catch-ups. So hopefully I'll have a couple of planner videos out this week. So if you're interested in checking those out, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel so that you get notifications every time I post. Click that little bell next to the subscribe button. All right, so I am going to be doing a llama theme. Now, I'm not really partial to llamas. It's not like, oh, you know, I'm really like into llamas, but I found this DCW Diecut Shape paper stack thing, and it's got a bunch of die cut shapes in it, and it's just been really inspirational to me. So I pulled out the llama page, and I think these llamas are just so cute that I just have to use them. I don't think I'm going to be using the cactus because I think I'm going to use them in a different spread. But I'm not 100% sure yet. So I pulled out this piece. I actually went ahead and pulled out both of them because I figured I probably will never do a llama page again. So I'll just pull this out and just use as many as I can. And then I recently hauled this journaling paper pack, also from DCWV, not really intentional. And it's got a bunch of kind of cut apart things. So I went ahead and pulled out this page from there because I thought I could use some of the mint green because they kind of match this llama, and maybe some of the peachy colors, and also this llama kind of has the same tone as this one. So I think I'm going to try to incorporate some of these. And then from this paper pack, which I bought a while ago and actually used quite a bit of this paper already, I pulled out this sheet because I think I'm going to use this You Make Me Laugh. And I thought that this was really cool. It kind of has like a geometrical shape. I kind of figured I could use that. And then I pulled out this stripe also from that this paper pack as well. So that's kind of the plan, to use these llama cut apart things. So we will see how it all turns out. The first thing that I did was went ahead and tore out all of those llama cut aparts and the You Make Me Laugh. And then I'm just kind of organizing them here. That's not at all how they end up being. Okay, so I'm going to grab that green paper, and I wanted to go ahead and make sure that the stripes were kind of going down the page instead of crossed. And then I'm just going to cut up a couple pieces here, because I was thinking I was going to use this paper in one way, and then I decided to use it a different way. So now I'm going to cut up a couple of strips of this paper as well. And just kind of trying to figure out where I wanted to cut it, because I had an idea regarding where I wanted to place those llamas, but so I'm just going to get all that cut up. All right. So I'm cut up the couple of strips on the side on the Monday and Tuesday there, and then I'm going to go ahead and leave that one hole, because what I'm planning on doing is actually using that as a little tip in the planner. So you'll see here in a second what I'm talking about. Okay, so I'm just getting all of that kind of situated, making sure that it's lined up properly. And then I thought, oh, it would be cute if there was a little heart in between that. That's actually where I came up with the title of this plan with me, which is Llama Love. I thought that would be really cute based on the design. All right, so then I went ahead and took that green paper, and I'm just going to go ahead and make a couple strips here and put that at the bottom. And then I wanted to go ahead and just include one more llama at least, because I just thought those llamas were cute. So I did grab a couple of the cactuses just to kind of have a little scene right there on the side. And then I grabbed the flowers from that same little die cut set. And all right, so then I'm going to take some of these little boxes and flags,
and just make like little collages out of them. So I'm just trying to figure out what I'm doing with them, and then I end up taking those two and putting them like that, and then I made another one over on the other side. And then I thought I would go ahead and put some green paper or green stripe paper on that side. And I took some of this distressed Tim Holtz ink, and it's Broken China is the name of the ink. And I'm just going to ink these little boxes and the little page flag, or those little flags up. And you'll see here in a second what that looks like. Okay, so I'm going to get the paper glued down with my adhesive roller from Gluetape. Just making sure that I'm gluing those in the right spot. You see that I did move that over because I wanted to kind of just give it an even transition between the other page. So you'll see what I'm talking about in a second when I pull in that other page. All right, so I'm going to just get these page flags all put together, and then just kind of put a little collage together in those. Okay, so what I decided to do was I'm going to take the little tabs that I got from, these little tabs are from Mambi, and they're just little plastic tab things that you can buy at Michael's. I think Michael still sells them. And I'm going to go ahead and line up that page so that it fits perfectly on there, so that when I put that on there, it kind of makes it a little tip. You can tip it in and out. Kind of like my journal cards that I've been doing forever. And then I put that little heart on the page as well, so that you can kind of use it as like a little thing to pull the sheet back and forth. All right, so I'm going to get that glued on, and I did want to glue it so that it covered up that black line. And then I'm going to glue that one on to the other side. Yeah, I think that turned out really cute. And then I'm going to put that Make Me Laugh, and I'm going to put the laugh part on the actual page and then the Make Me on the card. So you'll see the word laugh even when you have that the little journal card thing flipped to the other side. All right, so I decided to add, I didn't want it to be white on the back, so I just added a little piece of paper to the back of that. All right, okay, and then I'm going to get the little collage, little desert scene thing over there put together. And again, I made it so that cactus covered up the black line. And I put that one in front of there, and then I'm just going to go ahead and get the other little cactus and adhere it on to that side. All right, let's see, what's the next thing? Okay, and then I'm going to go ahead and get all of those little flowers glued on to the top. That's where I'm going to put my numbers and sticker time here in a second. And then I decided that I wanted to put a couple more of those little boxes down, so I just grabbed a couple more and inked them up with the same distressed ink. And then I just put a couple more around the boxes. All right, now it's going to be sticker time. All right, so let's go ahead and get some of the planning done. I don't really have a whole lot going on this week, thankfully. I'm hoping I can get a lot of crafting done and some videos. So I do have a book study that I'm going to go to at my church on Tuesday. And then my impact class, it's my leadership development class. I've got one more of those. It's the last night on Wednesday. And then I'm just going to put some uploads here. I do want to upload this Plan With Me video. Hopefully I can get that done. And then I also am going to be uploading, hopefully on Wednesday and Friday, some additional videos as well, if we can get all those edited and voiceover and all that good stuff. And then I am needing to plan my packing list because I am going to New York on the 15th through the 20th. I'm so super excited. So that is what we've got going on there. I do have a camp meeting and dinner plans on Saturday and game day on Sunday. All right, so let's go ahead and get it in my planner, and I think it turned out really cute. I'm really happy with the way that it turned out, and I just love the color combination, and the little llamas are just so cute. So guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this, and I will see you again real soon. Bye!